Hello, Jim Milady from Coldwell Banker Milady Realtors. Today I'm coming to you from Eagle River, Wisconsin. I'm going to reflect back on what I predicted for 2022, and I have proof of what I wrote right here. I predicted that mortgage rates were going to be below 4%. I guess I was pretty far off on that. They ended up being about 6.5% to 7%. I predicted that average home prices would rise by 5%. I was pretty far off on that too. They rose about 13.9% is what they did. I predicted that sales volume was going to drop 10%. I wasn't really right about that either. They actually, volume went down almost 20%, 19.2%. Again, here's my little proof, and there's my little handwritten notes. I think it's important to reflect upon what you predicted. So now, what is going to happen in the future? That's the million-dollar question. First slide we're looking at is home price forecast for 2023. We have forecasts from Realtor.com, HBS, and our National Association of Realtors, Freddie Mac, MBA, Fannie Mae, and Zelman. And they range from a 5.4 increase to a 5.1% decrease. Where will they end? The consensus is 0.1. So I'll go with the consensus. I'll think prices will remain flat. The next slide looks at the last 6 recessions and looks at what happens with prices. You can see 6.1% increase, 6.6 in 2001, 6.0 in 2020. The big fall was 2007-8, where it went down 19.7%. So it doesn't necessarily mean if we have a recession that prices will contract. We still have a shortage of housing in the States here. So I'll actually err on the side of caution, but say that prices won't slide. Next slide is the 30-year fixed rate doubled last year. You can see that what's happening with it now. It's already dropping. It's down to about 6.1. You'll see a few sixes right now, and I predict that it'll go down to 5.5 by May 1st. And the last slide is mortgage rate projections. I already said that. I thought it was going to be 5.5 by May. And you can see that NAR is agreeing with me. MBA is actually going further south than me, whereas Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac are a little bit less optimistic. But I'm still sticking by my 5.5 by summer, which will bring hundreds of thousands of buyers back out into the market. Well, so what do all these numbers mean? Well, they're all predictions, and they're all looking back at things. And I think it's a healthy thing to do, to go back and look at things. I wish the weatherman, and Jeff Weller at you, I wish you'd go back and say, hey, I screwed up on this one, or I was right on that one. But I think we're going to have 5.5% money. That'll bring hundreds of thousands of buyers back into the market. I think the prices will increase slightly. Certainly, we're not going to be seeing 19% increases like we've been seeing. So maybe 0 to 5% increases. I think sales will drop mostly because we don't have any listings right now. So they'll continue to drop a little bit. But that's all I have. We have lots of snow and ice. Snowmobiling is outstanding. So come up and visit us. Jim Milady, Coldwell Banker, Milady Realtors here in the Northwoods. Thanks. Bye.